Hey guys, this is my drawing video. I want to show you guys. And I'm gonna teach you how to draw with me, and it's pretty simple. All right. Now we start with first sequence, not sequence on the side. All right. Hold on there, guys. I'm just getting a little confused with this. There. Hold on. Let's get more. Sorry, guys. This is taking a lot of time. Alright. Hold it. Now, here we go. This is gonna be on the front page. Now, this is a very simple, guys. You have to learn, well, you don't have to learn it, but if you like my drawing, you can learn it. Alright. Now, no. Alright. Now, all we just need to do.
Maya, you got Lunchables over there?
No.
No Lunchables? Are you recording yourself?
Yeah. I was told how to draw like this. We are back on my video. Hey guys, hold on. Now, we're gonna get started on my girl again, because I had to go help my mom. You know, it's just a lot of work. But now, how you have to draw me? So, it's very simple. Now, to do the directions, alright. Now you just gotta do that and that. See? Simple. Now, go right back up. Make little lines. Open up. If it's too big, start all over. Now, you want to make a cheerleader, right? That. And the other hand. Oh, I did it wrong. Sorry. Hold on. A little bigger. Now. Now, all you just gotta do is make the hair. You can make the hair like this. Hold on. Like that, or like this for me. you got me. Oh, I forgot. I'm not exactly done. Just do that. Get little ones on the skirt. This is how I make my shoes. I make Converse. You know, there you got me.